Hello, my name is Louise, and today I'm filming my April update for the Partners in Cream project pan. April started in January, right? So February, March. So the third update, I think. Anyway, this project was started by Steph and Dalin. I will link them down below. The idea is that you use 4 to 6 cream items and have whatever goal you want on them. And we update on the 10th. And today is the 10th, so I have to, yeah. Anyway, I had 3 items in this project. And you're like, oh, she said had. Maybe she's finished one. No, I haven't finished one. I've misplaced it. I have no idea where it is. So let's just go through. The first item was the NYX lip gloss in Angel Food Cake. I don't know where it is. It's somewhere in this house. So yeah, I used it once last time. My goal is to use it 20 times. And yeah, so in total, or once until I lost it. So I have used it now 6 times of the 20 uses. So I don't know where it is. It's somewhere. Anyway. The next product, was the Chanel Stilo Eyeshadow Moon River. My goal is to use it 21 times. Yeah, I've shown you before. It's, very old and broken and, oh, yeah. Anyway, my goal is to use it 21 times. Again, I used it 7 times last update, and then I used it twice this month. So I've used it 9 times. That's not near 21 at all. And I've said it before, but it gives a very glittery look to anything you put on top. So that's why it's a little like, but I just did fill my eyeshadow roulette and there's a glittery shade. So maybe this will be a good base for that. Yeah, maybe, hopefully. And then the third item I introduced this last time was the Sunscreen from the Swedish pharmacy brand. And my goal is to finish it. And I am actually down to like here. So that's pretty good. I've used it 5, 10, 12 times. I had another sunscreen that I finished, but I've used it 12 times. I'm pretty proud of myself for that. Yeah. Yeah, my aunt uses the same one. So fun. Yes. But since that means I only have 2 items, I want to add a third one. And I have discussed this, not necessarily this that I'm adding this product, but there is a Helena on the Winterwebs, Helena's Beauty Space. I will link her down below. She also has the same issue as I do with this particular product. And we have kind of like, I commented on her videos about it and she's like, I know, I don't get it. Lip glosses. Like, how do people finish lip glosses? I don't get it. So my goal will be to finish a lip gloss. And I've actually chosen one that there is like so little left. I've marked it. Look, there's like so little left. And oh crap, this is the XX Notorious lip oil. I got this like as a freebie when I ordered the Matrix palette and some brushes. So my goal will be to finish this. And considering how little there is in this thing, I think I will be successful, which feels actually pretty nice. So yes. So yeah, use 12 more times, finish. And then hopefully I'll find my NYX lip gloss somewhere and maybe I'll just keep trucking away in that one as well. But yeah, so that was my Partners in Cream update. Yeah, cats destroying furniture. If you have cats, you know that's what happens. We don't live in this house. The cats allow us to cohabitate with them. Anyway, so I'm going to drink my tea in my little donkey mug, which I have, talked about or in a video this morning. So anyway, I'm going to drink my tea and edit a lot. So take care of yourselves, wash your hands, get vaccinated or get your booster shot if you can. And I will see you in a month with a new update for the Partners in Green Project Pan.